Welcome to the Actum Processing Merchant Portal reporting tutorial. In this video, we will go over the main reports available in the Actum portal and how to utilize the filter controls. Let's start with the Transaction Detail report. We have included a report filter at the top of each report, which allows you to control the data you're seeing. If your account processes transactions under the multiple sub-IDs, you can choose a specific sub-ID to view processing activity only for that sub-ID. Alternatively, you can select the parent ID to view processing activity for all sub-IDs associated with the account. The default end date is set to the current day, and the default start date is set to the first day of the previous month. We have created some custom date ranges that enable you to quickly select specific time periods. However, if you have a particular date range in mind, you can utilize the start and end date controls. You can now view all transactions within the selected time frame in descending order. Each column contains important details to help you identify each transaction, and you can customize your report by filtering each column. For instance, if you want to view all transactions sent to your customer, Anika, you can click on the top account column and select her name. Now that Anika has been selected, let's filter further to show only the transactions that have been submitted to debit her. To display extra information on these transactions, you can click the Actions menu and select Columns. You have the flexibility to remove or include columns and arrange them in any order you prefer. This report also gives you the ability to revoke or refund transactions if they satisfy the required criteria. Click the History ID of the transaction and select which action you would like to take. You can use the breadcrumb at the top of each page to return to the previous page. If you often use the same filters, you can save the report and easily access those same parameters later. For example, let's save a report where we can see all of our declined debits. All you have to do is select the Actions menu, navigate to Report, and press Save Report. You can see that the report has been saved and can be accessed at a later date. Only you can access the report because it's saved to your account. Other employees using the same portal won't be able to access it. We've also created custom reports that are available to everyone. These reports help you distinguish between credits and refunds. We have enabled the reports to be downloaded in one of the 4 most commonly used file types. This allows you to utilize your data in any way you see fit. The Actions menu contains many useful features, including pivots, charts, aggregations, and much more. Please check out Oracle's 5-minute Intro to Interactive Reports video that can be found on our FAQ page to learn more. Next, let's look at our new deposit report. The deposit report allows the user to view all deposits under the selected parent ID. The deposit calculation provides a breakdown of everything that went into the total payout, such as settlements, processing fees, refunds, credits, reserve funds, etc. To view a deposit's breakdown, select the magnifying glass next to the pay period start. If you would like to see all transactions that are contained within a pay period, select a pay period and press Go to Transactions. If you would like to see your returns, head over to the Returns report. At the top, you can see a snapshot showing the total count and amount of returns within the time period. You can also compare the date a transaction was originated to when it was returned. The last major report to review is our Charges and Fees report. In this report, we have incorporated a control break to enable you to review your fees by category and view the total fee for that particular rate type. If you want to remove this categorization, simply click the X on the control break. This concludes our tutorial over the Merchant Portal reports. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact Actum support.